Vitality houses some of the most skilled technicians when it comes to dental restorations. But sometimes it's not always the patient outside of the lab that needs a crown restoration. This is Halina, and she has been with Vitality since the beginning during the absence of most major technological implementations. As Vitality integrates the latest equipment, Halina continues to utilize older yet still effective techniques as she works on her own personal case. She is to undergo a 2-unit bridge insertion for crown number 27 and 28, manufactured with Vitality's aesthetic solid zirconia material. The procedure is to be performed by Dr. Ewa Koser. The crown is grounded down. Next, cement material is applied within the walls of the restoration. Halina dedicated herself to dentistry after she decided the service sector was no longer of interest, acquiring her dental experience well before her 2-year program had ended. The restoration is placed onto the prepped tooth. After ensuring the contacts, occlusion, aesthetic and comfort has been achieved, Halina can go about her daily life with a functioning and confident smile once again.
Visit vitalitydentalarts.com.